In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate on BandLab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a project and invite collaborators either directly or with a shareable link, all from the BandLab studio on the web. Start by heading to bandlab.com in your browser. Make sure you're on the official site, then look for the login button at the top right and click it. On the sign-in page, choose the Google option. This is a quick way to authenticate without creating a separate password. Select your Google account when prompted and then click Continue to approve the connection. If you're already signed in, you might skip a few of these screens and land right inside your BandLab account. Once you're in, open the library from the top navigation. Library is where all of your projects live. If you have several, take a moment to confirm the correct one by its title or thumbnail so you don't invite people to the wrong session. Click the project you want to collaborate on to open its details. From the project page, click Studio. This launches the BandLab Studio where tracks, regions, and instruments load. Wait for everything to finish loading so you don't miss any controls. In the Studio interface, find the Invite button, typically in the upper right. Click Invite to open the sharing panel. Here you have two straightforward options. First, you can type the email address or the BandLab username of the person you want to collaborate with. As you type, BandLab will surface matches so you can pick the right person. Double-check the spelling to ensure the invite reaches the intended collaborator. This method is great when you know exactly who you're working with and want to add them directly. Second, if you'd rather share broadly or send an invite through your own channels, click Copy Link. This creates a shareable link you can paste into an email or a direct message. Keep in mind that links can be forwarded, so only share them with people you trust. If your project is sensitive, the direct email or username option is usually safer. A few quick tips to make collaboration smoother. Let your collaborators know the project name and any guidelines, like which tracks to edit or record on. Ask them to wear headphones while recording to avoid bleed and remind them to save often. If someone can't access the project, have them sign in to BandLab first, then try the link again. That's it. Go to BandLab, log in with Google, open your library, select your project, enter Studio, and invite collaborators by email, username, or a shared link. Happy creating.